Hi guys, my name is Mordinson. Today is February 16th, 2021. It's pretty cold here in Ukraine. Please write in comments what is the temperature in your city. It's interesting because it looks like it's cold in some places where it's not normally very cold. Like we have a couple of clients in Dallas and also Houston, and it's apparently pretty cold there. Anyway, guys, today is a cold day, and I think the advice that I wanted to share, the ideas that I wanted to share today in this video may be relevant. As everybody knows, it's considered to be very romantic to have a candlelight dinner, and until recently I never thought why it is so until I read something interesting, and I wanted to share this with you. Since ancient times, the fire was the center of social attraction for many reasons, and people would gather, families would gather around fire to make food, to protect themselves from the wild animals, because the fire of course scares the animals away. And for many other reasons, people would gather around fire and spent many hours just sitting by the fire and enjoying the company of each other and talking. Apparently, and it's also interesting for me to hear your opinion if you think it's true or not, but in our subconscious we still have this scene where we associate being close to fire with other people as a sign of closeness to those people. So if you can, if you are going on a date with a lady and you can have a fireplace somewhere close to you or the source of open fire, that's really awesome, because apparently it makes her feel a lot closer to you almost immediately, because you are basically sharing this bond of being close to the fire together. But even if you have the candles on your table, that apparently it also does the trick. But if you have the candles, make sure that it's you who lights them, not the waiter who comes over. So if he comes over and offers like emotions to light the candles, take the lighter from him and say, I'll do it myself, and light the candles yourself. So guys, please share your thoughts. What do you think about this tip, and how do you feel next to the fire when you are sitting next to the fire close to some other people? Always interesting to hear and read your feedback. Thank you for watching, and have a good day despite possibly cold weather.